Every time I drink a cup of tea, I feel so refreshed, especially with self-clean air conditioner. I feel like I'm in nature. Normal air conditioner usually get dirty so fast and smells so bad, and you usually spend so much time and money to clean it, but higher self-clean air conditioner fixes this problem. It cleans itself from inside. And higher healthy self-clean air conditioner has received certificate from Euromonitor for 3 consecutive years, which shows its #1 global market share. We already discovered about self-clean function for healthy air solution, but it also has 56 degrees Celsius for efficient sterilization after itself self-clean. And I discovered new sterilization function. Before the air comes out from air conditioner, it goes through the UVC rays. It means that higher air conditioner carried UVC generator can protect your health indeed. And the air will be more purified. This is higher smart bedroom. I hear that air conditioner, lights and other devices can be adjusted automatically according to your sleeping status, and the mattress height can be adjusted automatically according to your sleeping posture. I feel I'm gonna sleep here so good. Let me show you my new discovery. Higher Conda Plus airflow. So, in a cooling mode, the air flows to the upper of the room and it don't go directly to the human body. And in the heating mode, the air flows to the floor or the carpet, and it ensures a balanced temperature all around the room.